In the last sessions, we have discussed about conditional statements in C. In this session, we will introduce the concept of looping statements in C language. In looping statements, a set of instructions is executed until some condition is true, and when that condition becomes false, then that loop is terminated. Examples of looping statements are while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Let's discuss these loops one by one. We will start with while loop. So while loop executes the instruction until a condition is true. Syntax of while loop is as follows. While is the keyword. In the bracket mention the condition, and in curly braces write the code that you want to execute when this condition is true. Pictorially it is shown like this. While will test one condition, and if this condition is true, then body of the loop will be executed, and this will execute till the moment the condition is true. The moment condition becomes false, then the loop will terminate and we will go to the next statement in the program. Let's discuss an example of while loop. Suppose we want to print numbers from 1 to 10 using while loop. Then we'll take a variable number and initialize it with the value 1. Condition is given like this: while in the bracket number less than equal to 10. If this condition is true, then printf that number using printf library function. Increment that number by using number plus plus, and finally there is the end of the while loop. After the while loop, we can put up a message that loop has stopped. Note that while is to be written in all small cases and there is no semicolon at the end of while statement. Let's go ahead and discuss the second looping statement, that is do while. Do while loop also executes the instruction until certain condition is true. There is only one difference between while and do while. In case of do while, it tests the condition at the end of loop, whereas in case of while loop, the condition was checked at the beginning of the loop itself. Syntax for do while loop is as follows. Do is the keyword, opening curly brace, mention the code of the loop inside these curly braces, and there is the end of the curly brace, while in the bracket condition. Make sure that you are giving semicolon at the end of this while statement. Pictorially this can be shown like this. So do certain body of the loop is executed and then check the condition. If the condition is true, then go again back and execute the body of the loop. The moment the condition becomes false, then you are going to terminate the loop and go to the next instruction after the loop. Let's discuss one example of do while loop. Again we'll go ahead with the same example. That is, we want to print numbers from 1 to 10, and this time we want to use do while loop. Earlier we implemented this code using while loop, but now let's use do while loop. Number is initialized to 1. Do, opening curly brace, print up that number, increment the number by 1, closing curly brace, and mention the condition while number less than equal to 10. And finally I can put up a printf that loop has stopped. So thus I can use do while for executing certain instructions repeatedly until a condition is true. So in this session we discuss about while and do while loop. We'll continue this discussion in the next session. Thank you. See you again.